Listen to the birds when they sing, message of God to you they bring. See the beauty of the lady's dress, showing the Father's care and the bless. Look at the grain of the wheat, it dies to bear so many fruit. God created all the beautiful things to be happy and always sing. Listen to the birds when they sing, message of God to you they bring. See the beauty of the lady's dress, showing the Father's care and the bless. Listen to the birds when they sing, message of God to you they bring. See the beauty of the lady's dress, showing the Father's care and the bless.